Here is trolley SK and its reinforced variant, trolley SK reinforced. Construction of trolley is meshed, which makes it lighter in comparison with analogous products, where tube is used. Trolleys are completed with 4 swivel casters of diameter 75 mm. Handles on the side walls on both trolleys make it convenient to move. Thanks to lightweight handles and swivel casters, trolleys are very maneuverable and compact. One of the advantages of these constructions is that side walls of trolleys are connected with each other pivotally, which permits folding and unfolding of trolleys without any additional fasteners. It saves considerable space in storage and transportation. The long lifespan of trolleys is assured by cold galvanizing. We've developed 2 types of dimensions of trolleys SK. Base frame can be. Height of trolleys is. Weight can be from 6 to 14 kilograms. Trolley is followed up to 40 kilograms. Reinforced trolley SK has following external dimensions. Trolley can hold maximum load up to 60 kilograms. Differential peculiarity of this trolley is reinforcement on the sidewalls and on the base. Sidewalls are strengthened by additional reinforcing plates. Base frame is strengthened by the flat bar.